Gamers, buckle up. Lenovo is making big moves in the portable gaming world, and trust me, you're going to want to hear about this. You've heard of gaming consoles, you've heard of gaming laptops, but get ready to meet your next favorite companion, the Lenovo Legion Y700 gaming tablet. And here's the kicker. It's finally going global in 2024, and it will smash the new iPad Mini 7 from Apple. Yep, you heard me right. While it's been showing off its skills in China, the Lenovo Legion Y700 is about to drop worldwide. This is huge news for gamers everywhere, especially those looking for top-tier gaming on the go. But wait, what exactly makes this tablet stand out in a sea of gaming devices? Well, let's dive right in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Introducing the Kokushu X40Q, your all-in-one wireless charging and stand solution. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods or any phone support MagSafe simultaneously with 15-watt and Qi 2 fast charging technology, compact, foldable, and travel ready. Power up anywhere, anytime. Kokushu. Charging made easy. Get yours today and save 10% using our coupon code at kokushu.co. Let's back to our video. First off, let's talk about the display. We're looking at a stunning 8.8-inch QHD IPS screen with a refresh rate of, drumroll please, 165 Hz. That means buttery smooth visuals. Whether you're flying through levels in an action-packed shooter or zooming down the track in a high-speed racing game, this display won't miss a beat. Say goodbye to lag, stutter, or anything that interrupts your game flow. And here's a little gaming secret. If you're like me, a smooth, fast refresh rate is everything. It's the difference between getting fragged and pulling off that insane win. So yeah, that 165 Hz, it's a game changer. Now let's peek under the hood. The Legion Y700 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This bad boy is built for speed and efficiency, letting you handle even the most intense games without your tablet breaking a sweat. Heavy gaming, streaming, multitasking like a boss, check, check, and check. Now, I know some of you are already eyeing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. It's coming soon, I know, but trust me, the Gen 3 is no slouch. Whether you're slaying in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile or taking a break to binge watch your favorite series, this tablet is more than ready to keep up. Okay, let's get into the details you really care about, pricing and availability. Right now in China, the Lenovo Legion Y700 is priced at around $580. But when it drops globally, expect the price to go up just a bit, thanks to those fun things like taxes and import costs. So if you're planning to grab one when it hits your region, maybe start saving a little extra, but trust me, for what you're getting, it's totally worth it. Think of it as an investment in your future kill streaks. This tablet is setting a new standard for portable gaming. Powerful processor, insane refresh rate, sharp display, it's all there. Whether you're a fast action fanatic or someone who loves visually rich, immersive gameplay, the Legion Y700 has your back. Gaming in bed? Check. Gaming in the park? Done. On the go? Easy. Are you as hyped as I am? The Lenovo Legion Y700 is about to change the portable gaming game, so what do you think? Will you be picking this up when it drops globally? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you're excited about this, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell to stay updated on all the latest gaming gear. You won't want to miss it. Until next time, happy gaming. Peace.